kuya?
Vincent.
I'm gonna interview him po. Abay malamang. Is this your first time to use the Black Panther po?
Yes, it is my first time, so na-enjoy ko siya and ramdam ko yung ano niya, yung head heavy niya, tas yung smash.
Have you faced any challenges sa paggamit ng Black Panther po?
Actually, no, kasi nagamit ko siya once nung nagpa-queuing din po.
What can you say about the rocket in terms po sa weight, swing, and design po?
So in terms sa ano po, sa weights, good siya for looking for head heavy and power and good for defense.
Compare sa current rocket niyo po, na brand, does the J-Nice rocket exceed your expectation po?
Yes po.
Will you recommend J-Nice rockets to your fellow badminton players?
Yes, I